HODs, faculty members, students, and participants. The Department of Biotechnology, Botany, Zoology, jointly organizing CINCIA 2025, is to enhance the scientific know.
The Students' Association of Biological Sciences was established in 1978 after the first batch of students was enrolled onto the Biological Sciences program under the Department of Basic and Applied Biology. The association is committed to training competent biologists capable of making impact in the world. The main theme of CIENCIA is homeostasis. Homeostasis is a dynamic process that drives the function of the biological system. Homeostasis depends mainly on the collaboration among the systems in the nature. Together, they form the intercommunication loop among the hierarchical levels. Therefore, homeostasis is influenced by the physical, chemical, and social factors of the operating system. Our focus is to find out the factors as a positive emotion that can regulate homeostasis and also to find out the remedies.
We are humbled to invite Vice Principal Dr. M. Manoranjani Madam, HOD of the Chemistry, onto the dais.
Now, we welcome the Director Sri V. Baburao Garu onto the dais.
It is a progress to invite the HOD of Botany, Dr. V. Srinivasarao Garu, onto the dais.
We are privileged inviting our Honorable Chief Guest Professor G. Simhachalam Garu, registered Acharya Nagarjuna University, onto the dais.
Prayer to Economic Calvin. Now I request DSC Biotechnology first year, render the prayer.
चन्द्राय गुणमण्डिताय विश्रामय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गौरीशय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानोत्सुकात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलध्वाये गुरुवैष्णवाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्पाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. Thank you, Gus. Lighting lamp to spread the divine.
Like me, plan. Spread the divine spirit. I request all the dignitaries on the dais, request to the right.
Now, I request Vice Principal Dr. M. Manoranjani Madam as a President of the function for a valuable message.
Thank you all.
Now, we are humbled to invite Vice Principal Dr. M. Manoram Madam, HOD of Chemistry, for a few words about the event.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Director of our college, Sri V. Babu Rao Garu, and the Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. G. Simhachalam Garu, Registrar Acharya Nagarjuna University, faculty members of Biological Sciences, Botany, Zoology, and Biotechnology, and my dear students, a very good morning to you all. First of all, it's a great pleasure for me to see this program being conducted in our college, especially under the dynamic leadership of Sri Babu Rao Garu. The Department of Biological Sciences is moving forward in the bullet. It's like a bullet train speed. It is being highlighted these days with number of programs, and I'm so happy that this department, three departments, all the three departments are actively involved and organizing several programs. And I believe that students are highly benefited due to this program. So this is not a daily routine. This is a special program, and this helps you to enhance your knowledge and also your skills. Though it is not a regular classwork or lecture work, this as I have read this, I have this topic is entirely new to me. Homeostasis, homeostasis. Yes. So this is the function of the biological systems. I don't know much about this. Today, to speak on this occasion, we have our the resource person, our chief guest, Simhachalam Garu, Registrar, Nagarjuna University, to speak on this subject. I think I am not eligible to speak much more on this, but anyhow, I congratulate all the faculty members of the department, and I am really inspired by our director, sir, these days because he is coming up with innovative events. And I really thank you all for giving me this opportunity. I encourage all the students. This is not just like a function. You have to put your ear, be keen in understanding the subject which is being taught and something related to our biological systems, life science. So I request all of you to uh, study well, understand the subject, interact with the resource persons, and learn the subject which is being dealt today throughout the day. And I really thank our registrar sir, Acharya Nagarjuna University, for sparing this valuable time spending with the students of biological sciences. He will be addressing you. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable message.
Now I request Director Sri V. Babu Rao Garu to give few words about the event.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Dr. M. Manoranjani Garu, Vice Principal of the college and President of the function. Chief guest of the day, very good friend of mine, Dr. G. Simhacharan Garu, as already it is given the introduction. He is a visitor Acharya Nagarjuna University. He is from biology, from zoology. And convener of this CIENCIA, Dr. P. Srinivasara Garu, head of the Department of Botany, and my learned colleagues, faculty members. I am very happy to say it is not because of me, and it's only because of my members. all these members and they worked well, and it really because of them, and he is successful. And in fact, and if you want to understand in the homeostasis, and every time and we wanted to take an one theme, and this time and we wanted to take the theme and homeostasis, and many of you know, and whatever and elements and you find in our body, the same element and you find and even in the nature also outside the body. But outside the body and they do not have any life. But the same chemicals and when they are presented in our body and we have the life. What makes the difference? How is that? The same carbon is present outside and the carbon is also present in our body. Yeah. And we have the life. How is that possible? That is only because of the interaction of the molecules and moreover and the other important one is homeostasis. And because of that only and we have the life. And ultimately, and with all our practices, and we are losing that interaction. That is manifested in your diseases. And whatever you say in the disease, that is only the manifestation of the loss of interaction in our body. And that you have to understand how best and we do that. And further, and we have included and many events and your one important event and even testing and your NCBA and for different polypeptides and nucleotides. And even Snap speaks also, and there also, and we are giving and one photograph and further photograph, and you have to explain and whatever the idea you get into that. That is how, and we wanted to make this event a very creative one and moreover academic. And of course, and we introduced even informal events and two informal events, and one is a nature rhythm, and compulsory, and we have to save our nature, and otherwise there is no future for generations. And even Mr. and Miss Bio also, and that is given as a pageantry, and there also you have to depict only the biological event. So that is how, and we created and this program, I hope, and this program will be successful if all of you involved with your heart and mind. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable message.
Now, I invite the head of the department, botany, Dr. P. Srinivasa Rao Garu, to say a few words about this event.
Respected members and the dais and distinguished scholars, inquisitive minds, and trailblazers of tomorrow, welcome to CIENCIA K25. In the heart of Vijayawada, Sarvatrin Brahmaya Siddhartha College of Arts and Science, the beacon of academic excellence, proudly presents CIENCIA 2K25, a grand convergence of intellect, creativity, and scientific exploration. Scheduled today, that is February 12, 2025, this prestigious event hosted by Student Association of Biological Science, SABS, is a celebration of boundless wonder of biological sciences, promising an exhilarating blend of knowledge, competition, and innovation. CIENCIA 2K25 stands as a testament to the institution's unwavering commitment to fostering scientific curiosity and excellence. With a legacy of pioneering research, state of art laboratories, and an ecosystem brimming with academic rigor, the college has long been crucial for shaping the scientific minds of tomorrow. This year edition is set to elevate the discourse by embracing the theme of homeostasis, already explained our director sir, unraveling the intricate biological equilibrium, sustained life amid ever evolving changes of the natural world. Participants will be propelled into riveting discussions how climate change, environmental stress, and genetic adaptations influence the delicate balance, paving the way of groundbreaking insights. The event boasts array of meticulously curated formal competitions designed to challenge and refine intellectual prowess. From Gene, a high-stakes quiz spanning the realms of biology, particularly zoology, botany, biotechnology, and microbiology, to Siddhartha Biology Olympiad, called as SBO, where participants will immerse themselves in species identification and biodiversity classification. Every competition of today is an odyssey into the depths of biological mastery. Vita Bio invites the artistically inclined to fuse creativity with science through compelling posters and presentations, while genomic data mining (GDM) guides participants to unravel the mysteries hidden within the genomic sequences using NCBI database. And Siddhartha Snap Speaks presents thrilling test of reflexes and knowledge in rapid species identification. Beyond the rigor academia, CIENCIA 2K25 extend into the realm of artistic and cultural expression with nature rhythm, a mesmerizing dance event encapsulating the harmony between nature and movement. The grandeur reaches its pinnacle with the Mr. and Miss Bio pageant, where participants will command the stage as an intellectual ramp walk, weaving narratives of biological significance through eco-consciousness, attire crafted from natural fibers like cotton and silk. Cientia 2K25 is not merely an event, it is an intellectual phenomena, an arena of where passion meets precision, and where young scholars stand to precise of discovery. In beacon of students, researchers, enthusiasts alike, partake and immersively experience the transcendental textbooks and laboratories, often an unparalleled opportunity to engage, speak, and collaborate. As these webinar hall transform into the nexus of scientific brilliancy, participation will not only expand their knowledge but also enrich their names in the annals of academic excellence. As the curtain falls on Scientia 2K25, let the seeds of knowledge sown today take root and flourish into the groundbreaking discovery. The torch of knowledge is now in your hands. Carry it forward. Let the brilliance illuminate your path. My dear young friends, once again, I welcome to you all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message.
Now we are privileged inviting our Honorable Chief Guest Professor G. Simhachalam Garu, registered Acharya Nagarjuna University, to express a few words about this event.
Our request, introduction of chief guest by the audience, by the Amata Vasni.
Professor G. Simhachalam, Registrar of Acharya Nagarjuna University. He has a doctoral degree on studies on the taxonomy and a few biochemical aspects of clam shrimp species Branchiopoda crustacea of coastal Andhra Pradesh, India, in biodiversity and molecular biology. Sir has done an Master of Philosophy on a studies on the biochemical composition of a community occurring anostrocal species Streptocephalus simplex acanus bond, limnology and aquaculture, and a Master of Science in Limnology and Fisheries. He has 30 years of research experience and 25 years of teaching experience. His areas of specialization include taxonomy, biodiversity and systematics, principles of ecology, limnology, fish processing technology, and plant bioactive molecules in aquaculture. Sir is also an expert committee member for the government of Andhra Pradesh, focusing on aquaculture labs, fisheries, and industries. Additionally, Sir is a member of various administrative positions at Acharya Nagarjuna University, including Dean, Warden, Coordinator, and Head of the Department. Sir is a member in several boards and committees and has discovered and preserved five new species at the Natural History Museum in London. Sir is currently working on a research project entitled engineering of fish collagen scaffold with mangrove extracts for enhanced fish healing properties. Third has supervised with 10 doctoral degrees, 7 Master of Philosophies with 5 ongoing. Third has a research collaboration with the Department of Biology and the University of Akron, Ohio, and United States of America. Third has published 50 national and international research papers and also participated in 80 conferences, seminars, and delivered 28 invited talks. And finally, Sir served as an adjudicator for doctoral degree cases. Thank you. Thank you, Amrita. Now we are inviting our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor G. Simhasaran Garu, registered Acharya Nagarjuna University, to express a few words about this event.
Respected members of the dais, Dr. Babu Rao garu, Vice Principal, Madam Manoranjan garu, Head of the Department, Srinivas Rao garu, and other faculty members. Also, my dear students, this one day conference, this is conference event, this one day event, CIENCIA 2K25. It is very fascinating heading which I observed. I don't know still now CIENCIA, the meaning of CIENCIA.
Yeah, Latin word and meaning knowledge or science.
Yeah. And your theme of this CIENCIA 2K25 is something great because you are choosing one innovative and advanced topics. So it is testing for your young minds. Particularly, uh, one is gene, the Siddhartha genes. All Siddhartha genes from the botany, zoology, and biotechnology quite present here. Uh, you are testing your IQ also. So this one is G. The second one, two is biological Olympia. Species identification. So this is very what is that, tough and tough for the identification of the species. How you are complete particular the topics which are relevant to the species identification. Uh, 3S beta bio, Siddhartha biology art, poster and beautiful, that is different. And GDM, genomic data. This the species identification and genomic data both are what is that inter-relevant one amount because this is the advanced what is that gene sequencing for used for the species identification. Okay, thus that identified genes particularly in the species which preserve in the specified database centers. I, my PhD program, I deposited in sequence of 18 species, 18 fish species located in the Lake Colero. And other two things, nature rhythm and fragile tree is also uh, you are what is that mastering dignified because there also you are elevated the biology subject. So in this context, you are all much aware of the molecular biology. This molecular biology, which is offering you in future in uh, different ways. Particularly, you see, you are only concentrated on the topics of biotechnology. The biotechnology, which is very much important to solve the several of problems related to the medical field or maybe other side, not only the medical field and food technology and species identification, as well as the other molecular aspects of the molecular biology. So this the biotechnology which are offering you for further studies through the entrance examination, which is conducted by the DBT, Department of Biotechnology, and also offer certain fellowships also. And we have uh, different prestigious national and state level universities. If you are thorough with the subject in biotechnology, definitely you are elevated and your future is also quite good. Particularly, it provide good job opportunities also. Here you see this in the changing world, we are also changed with the technology. Definitely, we are all offer welcome the technology. Otherwise, we can't survive without technology. Whatever the subject you are learned, for example, general zoology or maybe the botany, you introduce, necessary to introduce the technology. Today we are had AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, everywhere you go, everywhere. Now, first to represent artificial intelligence. Just yesterday, our Prime Minister also recommended plans particular to one of the conference which what is that they discussing the AI, artificial intelligence. It means here artificial intelligence is not a is a technology. It's not. It is engineering. It is a subject to what is that to apply not only the engineering and almost all the subjects, almost all the subjects. Without this particular technology, we can't survive in the future. Like that, that is one of the in some of the countries which already what is that they beyond the artificial intelligence, like China, uh, they are also introduced one more what is that technology. So in the present world, డే బై డే మనం ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఆ చేంజెస్ అనేవి మనం పట్టుకోగలిగినప్పుడు మన ఫ్యూచర్ అంతా కూడా కొంతవరకు ఆ, నిలబడగలుగుతాం ఇన్ ది కాంపిటీషన్ ఆఫ్ ది సొసైటీ ఫర్ దిస్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ which is having different capacities. For example, some are interested in the subjects uh, reading in the textbooks, or maybe some are interested in the technological side, some are in the sports, some are interested in the writing of the books, or maybe or dancing, music, or etc. and etc. విత్ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీకు ఏ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అయితే ఉంటుందో ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తోటి మరి మీరు ఆ, ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్లో మీకు మీరుగా ఎలివేట్ కావటానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. వితౌట్ మీ మైండ్ సెట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా, అంటే మీ ఆర్ మన మైండ్ సెట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎట్లా ఉండాలంటే బయట వాళ్ళు ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ చేసేదిగా ఉండకూడదు. మీకు మీరుగా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ కావాలి. మీకు మీరుగా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా దట్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ సస్టైనబుల్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్. అదర్వైజ్ ప్రొవోకేటెడ్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఆర్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తోటో లేకపోతే ఎవరితోటో ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ అయ్యి దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ నాట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ సస్టైనబుల్ యువర్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్. So that all the young minds, what I suggest you that time you can also change. You can also change. Otherwise, see the technology which always dominate చాలా స్పీడ్గా మీకంటే ఎక్కువగా డామినేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఆ డామినేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం కూడా ఏం చేయాలి, ఆ టెక్నాలజీ ఎంతవరకు అయితే మనం డామినేట్ చేస్తుందో దానికంటే స్పీడ్గా కూడా మనం వెళ్ళినప్పుడే ఫ్యూచర్‌లో ఫ్యూచర్‌లో మనం గూడా సస్టైన్ అవ్వగలుగుతాం. ఫర్ దట్ యూ ఆర్ ఆల్ టు ఫర్ దట్ యూ ఆర్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ టు థింక్ టు వర్క్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. హార్డ్ వర్క్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఈస్ కనెక్టింగ్ టు ది హెల్ప్ ఫర్ ది డెవలప్‌మెంట్. బట్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. నేను చదువుకునేటప్పుడు కూడా మా బాబురావు గారు గూడా నాకు ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే ఎంఫిల్ క్లాస్‌మేట్, మాస్టర్. మేమిద్దరం కూడా కలిపి ఒకే మాస్టర్ దగ్గర చదువుకున్నాం. ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ అంటే మనకి శక్తి ఉన్నంత వరకు కూడా మనం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాలి. తెలివితేటలనేవి సమ్ ఎక్స్‌టెంట్ ఫర్ ది యూజ్‌ఫుల్. తెలివితేటలుండి హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి ఆకాశమే హద్దుగా కూడా వాళ్ళు ఆహ్, ఎదుగుదలనేది కనపడుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ దట్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ యువర్ చైల్డ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్లాన్. ఏ టైంలో మనం ఏం చేయాలి? అదర్‌వైజ్ without a future plan, we cannot, what is that, to hold the different things or the present things or maybe the new things or maybe innovative things which is coming in the future. For that, always like you and minds which is having innovative things and skills. Skills is not enough. For innovative skills is always needed. Such a innovative skills which it is useful for the society. సొసైటీకి ఉపయోగపడేటటువంటి స్కిల్స్‌కి మీరు అడాప్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. మనం సొసైటీలో ఉన్నటువంటి నీడ్స్ ఏంటనేవి కూడా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. దానికి అనుగుణంగా మనం ఆహ్, రీసెర్చ్ రీసెర్చ్ మీన్స్ మీ లెవెల్‌లో మీరు రీసెర్చ్ మీన్స్ యువర్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. You collect the observations. What are the problems which is facing the society? What are the needs which they want? You think about the needs and solve with your innovative ideas and innovative skills. And definitely the students which can achieve anything like in the present competitive world, or else we are not what is that get the uh, uh, more and more opportunities which is in the present society. See, We are using cell phones every day and every minute. How this cell phone is working, for what extent the artificial intelligence which is incorporated in the cell phone, and what is the other scientific things or engineering things which is what is that in the cell phone, how the touch screen which is working. Oh, మనం touch నొక్కుతున్నాం కాబట్టి ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది, మనం ఆపరేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. How it recognize our face. So you see, this is a great technology. Before using any device, like young people which need to check what is the engineering behind for the working all such instruments. అది మీకు ఒక విధమైనటువంటి ఒక ఐడియాని క్రియేట్ చేయగలుగుతుంది అనమాట, సైంటిఫిక్ ఐడియా. సో ప్రజెంట్ సినారియాలో particularly the UGC adopted or recommended NEP 2020, National Education Policy 2020. The National Education Policy 2020, what suggesting మనకి సబ్జెక్ట్ బ్యారియర్ అనేది ఫ్యూచర్లో ఉండదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బీకామ్ స్టూడెంట్, బిఏ స్టూడెంట్, ఎంకామ్ స్టూడెంట్, బిఎస్సి స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా మీకు ఇష్టం వచ్చినటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుకోవచ్చు. మీకు నచ్చినటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్లో చదవచ్చు. మీకు వచ్చినటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్లో క్రెడిట్స్ మీరు క్రెడిట్స్ పొందవచ్చు. ఆ క్రెడిట్స్ ఆధారంగా మీకు ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు ఎక్కడికైనా సరే జాబ్ కోసం వెళ్ళినప్పుడు దే కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ హౌ మచ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా క్రెడిట్స్ విచ్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ద స్టూడెంట్. అవి కంపల్సరీగా చూస్తారు మీరు. బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ అకాడమిక్ క్రెడిట్స్. These credits are very much important for your future settlement. So multiple options is also there. For example, botany student or zoology student is eligible to what is that to read to opt in PG other subjects also. Recent గా నాకు దగ్గరగా ఒక కేసు వచ్చింది. బేసికలీ హీఈస్ engineering student. He completed 4 years engineering. He wrote the examination, UGC net examination in the education. He get the good score. Now he tried to join in the education. PhD education లో జాయిన్ అవడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నారు. See how the change which is takes place in the present scenario. So that all the students, what is my best advice is that మీరు ఒకే దాంట్లో ఒకే సబ్జెక్ట్లో స్టాగ్నెంట్గా ఉండాల్సినటువంటి అవసరం లేదు. మీరు కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ నేను చదవలేదు, లేక బయోటెక్నాలజీ చదవలేదు, లేక నేను బాటనీ చదవలేదు, నాకు ఎంబీఏ చదవలేదు అని మీకు నిరుత్సాహం మాత్రం పడక్కర్లేదు. మీకు మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఏ ఇష్టం ఉన్న సబ్జెక్టు చదువుకోవాలన్నా సరే మనకి ఎన్ఈపి 2020లో యూజీసీ మనకి ఆ అవకాశాన్ని కల్పించింది. కాబట్టి మీరందరూ కూడా మంచిగా మరి మీకు ఇష్టమైన సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుకొని ఫ్యూచర్లో మరి మంచిగా మీరందరూ కూడా ఎలివేట్ అవ్వాలని. For that, in the Nagarjuna University, we are offering several branches like MA Hospital Administration, also one of the potential subject for particular job. It gives us give you a good job opportunities. And also we are introduced TV and film, singing and dancing And theater arts also we are offering recently. And the evening courses also we introduced particularly these we are four branches. And also one potential area which in Andhra Pradesh is aquaculture. Aquaculture కూడా చాలా పొటెన్షియల్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఉమ్, ఒక ఏరియా. అది కూడా నాగార్జున యూనివర్సిటీ ఆఫర్ చేస్తుంది. మాస్టర్ కూడా తెలుసు. బట్ మీకు జాబ్స్ గా వెంటనే రావాలని అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ బ్రాంచ్ ఎంఎస్సి aquaculture apart from other బయోటెక్నాలజీ కోర్సెస్. మీకు రీసెర్చ్ ఇట్లా రీసెర్చ్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా మంచి రీసెర్చ్ చేయాలి లేదు నేను అబ్రాడ్ వెళ్ళాలి వేరే కంట్రీకి వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నప్పుడు బయోటెక్నాలజీని కూడా మీరు ఆప్ట్ చేసుకునేటటువంటి గేట్ పర్టికులర్ గేట్ అయితే కొంతవరకు మీకు ఫెలోషిప్స్ ఇవి కూడా మీకు ఆఫర్ చేస్తారు. మంచి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఆల్ సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీస్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఆఫరింగ్ biotechnology courses through the DBT, which provide you for certain this also fellowship also. And after MSc biotechnology, we have a great opportunity, particularly in the medical field. And we choose చేసుకున్నటువంటి దీన్ని బట్టి research or research, and also abroad we have a great opportunity, particularly in the medical field and other prestigious universities. మీరు ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో ఒక థీమ్ పెట్టారు, biodiversity and the species identification. This is a very toughest subject than biotechnology and other subjects. What the species identification. See, already the Whittaker is also mentioned here. Whittaker and other scientists, something 90s, 1960s, something he classified the organisms into 5 kingdom system. The before the Whittaker also the classification classified the organisms into different ways. So you see, in the previous days on the scientists, without the knowledge, without the technology, they are arranging the organisms in a systematic manner. ఎంత సిస్టమాటిక్ మేనర్ లో అరేంజ్ చేశారంటే 2000 years back, without using any technology, they are arranged in a orderly manner. ఇప్పటికి కూడా మనం వాళ్ళు ఏ విధమైనటువంటి క్లాసిఫికేషన్ చేశారో అదే క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ని మనం ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం. బట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ ఇగ్నోరింగ్ ది బయోడైవర్సిటీ. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే ఇగ్నోర్ చేసామని ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే వెదర్ యు ఆర్ ఇగ్నోర్ ఆర్ నాట్, బట్ మై కాన్షియస్ ఇస్ దట్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ ఇగ్నోరింగ్ ద బయోడైవర్సిటీ. వై? Biodiversity is the backbone of the world's economy. World's economy. Without the plants or maybe animals, from the microorganisms, from bacteria, and the higher animals, there is no scope for living living in the nature. కదా? Without, for example, you see the decomposing bacteria. Without decomposing bacteria, we can't. Without food grains, without plants, we can't survive. Without the oxygen, we can't survive. So that always as a young mind, I suggest wherever you go, please you respect our biodiversity, our biodiversity, because the biodiversity which gives us wealth and health. With this a small brief introduction or maybe the speech, thank you and thank you very much. As a young minds, one thing is keep in mind hard work. Ultimately, hard work is only one, what is that, way for your future endeavor. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sorry for the interruption. Now I invite our principal, Dr. M. Ramesh Garu. Please come on to the dais. Please, please. That time and he was engaged in Centella 6.0. I invite Professor Rajesh Garu, Dean of the college. Please. I request Ramesh Garu to say a few words. Yeah.
Respected guests on the dais and dear colleagues, students, good morning to all of you. I know very well you are eagerly awaiting for participating in the events, which do not take much of your time. And on this occasion, I congratulate the Department of Zoology, Botany, and Biotechnology for organizing this type of wonderful session. And I advise you all to take part in these events more actively and learn something from these activities. Participation is very important, you know very well. Participation itself is the winning than the other people when compared to the other people who are not participating, who are not competing. Always you should be ready in the real life also to compete with others or to gain some knowledge or other type of activities, whatever they are. It's very, very important. So take part all kinds of events that are available or that are organized by the various types of institutions and also improve your skills and knowledge so that you can gain in the real world. Once you step out of these colleges, degree colleges or PG colleges, definitely you will face a lot of questions from the recruiters, you know very well. So they may ask certain questions relating to your subjects. That's why these type of the events definitely give you some knowledge which will help you in the real life. Thank you. I congratulate the departments once again and thanks you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message. Now, it is our honor to invite the Dean, Sir, Professor Rajesh C. Jampala Garu, to express a few words about this event.
I'm very much delighted to be with you today. Uh, Sorry for the late, we were with some other occasion. As you're all aware, life sciences, especially the botany, zoology, plays a very important role. And even in Industry 4.0, as we talk, convergence of IT and BT together. That means in future, we don't know whether it is a machine or a human being, maybe it is a cyborg or a combination of these two. So in this sense, if you pursue your academics and if you are very strong in your fundamentals at your undergraduate level, and if you pursue your post graduation and research in biosciences and life sciences, you have a tremendous future because the world needs people like you. Because the food technology, and even the innovations in these areas will give you a lot of scope for your career opportunities. As it was already mentioned, this event is to create a good platform for you to share your skills and learn from others. So this is just like a platform. So this winning and losing, as it was not that important, but the participation in this event is a good experience, and this experience definitely will add value to your future. Immediately, you don't know the importance of participating in this, but later on, you can connect these dots and you can see a big picture. That's why I request all the participants to participate in more and more events. Whenever there is an opportunity, grab those opportunities. And slowly, continuously, you should improve. In management, we teach like Japanese principle like Kaizen, continuous improvement. From today to tomorrow, there must be some improvement, incremental improvement that leads to tremendous growth. So for that, you require self-discipline, self-motivation, because you are all full of distractions. The world is full of distractions. So don't lose your focus. Be disciplined. Invest on your own personality so that you can create a lot of impact for your own self and others also. I wish you good luck. I congratulate the Department of Botany, Zoology, and Biosciences of this college for organizing this event. I wish you a very engaging experience today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message.
Now, we have felicitation to the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. G. Simhachalam Garu, Registered Acharya Nagarjuna University, and I request the dignitaries on the dais to join a hand in this event. Thank you all.
Now, we invite vote of thanks by K. Shivani.
A very good morning to all. On behalf of management, staff, and students of P.B. Siddhartha College of Arts and Science, I'm glad to express my profuse thanks to who are part of this success. A special thanks to our chief guest, Professor G. Simhachalam Garu, Registered Acharya Nagarjuna University, for sparing his time in his busy schedule. His message is a game changer in our academic pursuit. Thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. M. Ramesh Garu, for gracing this event. Thanks to our Vice Principal, Dr. M. Manoranjani Garu, HOD of Chemistry, for her opening remarks and valuable message. Sincere thanks to our Director, Shri Baburao Garu, for his support. Heartfelt thanks to our Dean, Professor Rajesh C. Jampala Garu, and the entire management for their support. Gratitude to the head of the department, faculty members, and the students for your unflinching love and support. Special thanks to all the participants and the faculty members for joining here and making this a memorable experience for life science community. Sincere gratitude to our sponsors, poster partner, NIDA Digital Images, certificate partner, Paradise. Our title partner, Canara Bank, design partner, Vijayawada, Electronic Media. Special thanks to Dr. Sasti Garu for his invaluable support in giving wide coverage. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sohan.
Now, I request all the students and the dignitaries on the dais to please stand up for a national anthem.